Hello friends, welcome to my channel Math Sparks. Today we will learn about division. Okay? Before starting, I would request all of you to please subscribe to my channel. In my channel, you will learn many new formulas and techniques of solving maths in a very easy manner. Okay? So, without wasting much of the time, we will start with the division. First, let's know what is division. Division is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. ठीक है? The other operations are addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay? And division is the fourth one. Now, what is being divided is called dividend. The number that is being divided, that is called dividend, which is divided by divisor. That number is being divided by the divisor and the result is called the quotient. Okay, whatever result we are getting, that will be our quotient. Now there are some properties of division that we all need to know. There are some properties of division that we all need to know. The first property is when number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. When you divide any number by itself, then the quotient is 1. For example, if you divide 15 by 15, when a number is divided by the number itself, the quotient is 1. Okay? Now again, the other property is when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. Okay? For example, if you divide 56 by 1, the answer will be 56 itself. That means the number will be, the quotient is the number itself. Okay? Third property says division by 0 is meaningless. Okay, division by 0 is meaningless. Suppose you divide 7 by 0, the answer will be meaningless. Okay. Now, the fourth property says when 0 is divided by any number, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. For example, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. Fine. Now, the other property says division and multiplication are related. For example, they say that every multiplication, every multiplication fact has two division fact. Okay, for example, if you multiply 5 into 9, the answer is 45. So it has two multiplication, it has two division fact. This multiplication fact has two division fact. For example, 45 divided by 9 will be 5. Then again 45 divided by 5 will be 9. Okay, so these are the 5 division facts that we have learned. Okay, now we will learn division by one digit number. Division by one digit number. Okay, suppose we have 5 divide by 30. So how will we divide? We know that 5 6 are 30. We are left with 0. Okay, here we know that quotient is 6, remainder is 0. Now we have to check the answer, okay, if we are correct or not. We have the formula is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 6, divisor is 5, remainder is 0. So D is equal to 6 into 5 plus 0. Answer is 30. So we are correct. Okay. Now again we will divide 783 by 3. Okay. Now see here. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. This 8 comes down here. 3 6 are 18. It becomes 0. This 3 comes down here. 3 1s are 3. We are again left with 0. Okay. Now how will we check the answer? Quotient is 261. This is the quotient. Remainder is 0. We have the formula. Dividend is equal to Q into D plus R. Q is 261 into D is 3 plus remainder is 0. So 261 into 3 is 783 plus 0 783. So we are correct. Okay. Now we will do division by 4 digit by 1 digit. Okay. Now let's start. The number is 5120 by 7. Okay. So here we see, we know that 7 sevens are 49. We are left with 2. Now this 2 comes down here. We know that 7 threes are 21. This we are left with 1 here. This 0 comes down again. Now we know 7 ones are 7. We are left with 3. So how to check the answer? D is equal to Q into D plus R. So we have 731. Into D we know is 7 plus 3. This is equal to 1 plus 3. So we get our answer as this. Okay.